how to insert an A3 page in your Word. So for that you have to watch this video thoroughly in and dive into the process. So first of all you have to navigate to your layout option. Once you are on your layout option, here you can see the break option. Just go for the break option here. And here on your break option, you have to just go for the next page option. And once you are on your next page option, again tap on the break option. Again, you have to tap on the break option and just go for the next option, next page like this. Here you can see that. So then you have to just go for the orientation option. And here on your orientation option, just go for the landscape option here. And then you have to just go for the size option. And once you are on your size option, here you can find the A3 option. Just go for the A3 option. Then you will have it like this. You can see the page break option here. So on the last, you can have your A3 paper. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you on the next one. Thank you.